Good morning, my little champs. How are you today? I hope you all are happy and safe at your home. I, Bansri Takkar, warmly welcome you all in our today's general awareness session. Children, tell me, are you feeling cold nowadays? Yes, I am also feeling so cold. Why are we feeling cold? Yes, because it is winter season. And do you know what we are going to learn today in our general awareness session? Children, today we are going to learn about winter season in this session. Children, do you know how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. Winter season, summer season, rainy season and spring season. And in different seasons, we feel different weather, we wear different clothes and we eat different food. Children, today in this session, we will learn about winter season in detail. Children, winter season is the coldest season of the year. विंटर सीजन है उसमें हम क्या फील करते हैं? ठंड फील करते हैं, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं कोल्डेस्ट सीजन। और आपको पता है जो विंटर सीजन है वो 4 मंथ्स होती है। इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम मंथ ऑफ नवंबर एंड इट एंड्स इन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी। विंटर सीजन है ना वो 4 महीने होती है। नवंबर से शुरू होती है, फिर दिसंबर, जनवरी एंड फरवरी तक होती है। और जो सबसे कोल्डेस्ट मंथ्स होते हैं वो है दिसंबर एंड जनवरी। दिसंबर एंड जनवरी आर द coldest months of this season. Children, do you know in winter days are shorter and nights are longer. जो days होते हैं वो छोटे हो जाते हैं और nights होती है वो कैसी हो जाती है? लंबी होती हैं। और आपको पता है हमारी कंट्री में कहीं कहीं जगह पर तो स्नोफॉल भी होती है, यानी कि बर्फ गिरती है और उसकी वजह से ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है।
और आपको पता है जहाँ पे बर्फ़ गिरती है ना वहाँ पे बच्चे क्या बनाते हैं? वहाँ पे बच्चे स्नो से स्नोमैन बनाते हैं।
Children, in winter season we should protect our body from cold, so we should wear warm clothes. So let us learn what types of clothes we should wear in winter season.
Children, in winter season we wear woolen clothes to protect our body from cold like sweater, jacket, socks, scarf, woolen cap and mittens. And we also cover ourselves using blankets and quilts.
Children, to keep our body warm in winter season, we should drink hot beverages and we should eat hot food.
In winter, we like to drink hot coffee, hot tea, and soup. Children, do you know dry fruits and nuts also keep our body warm?
Children, in winter season, we get variety of fruits and vegetables. So let us learn some of the fruits and vegetables which we get during winter season.
Children, in winter season, we get many fruits and vegetables. Fruits which we get in winter are apple, orange, guava, strawberry, pomegranate, grapes, papaya, and pineapple. And in winter, we get vegetables like cauliflower, spinach, green peas, carrot, beetroot, fenugreek leaves, radish, and broccoli.
Children, to keep our body healthy during the winter season, we should do exercise regularly. Children, do you know people likes to take
Sun bath
during daytime and they like to sit near fireplaces during night to keep their body warm. आपने देखा है विंटर सीजन में कि सुबह लोग है ना धूप में बैठते हैं और रात को फायर करके उसके पास बैठते हैं ताकि हमारी बॉडी है वो वार्म रहे. Children, there are many festivals which comes in the winter season. Can anybody tell me the names of that festivals which comes in winter season? Yes, Christmas, Diwali, Uttarayan, Pongal and many more. Very good. Children, now I am giving you a worksheet related to winter season.
Children, in this worksheet, you have to color the winter hat and mittens as per your choice. आपको विंटर हैट और मिटन्स में आपकी चॉइस के कलर करने हैं.
Children, do this worksheet by yourself. Okay? Now I am going. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Happy winter.